Every time you spray that shiny, premium dressing onto your car tires, you are chemically accelerating their destruction. You are literally rotting the rubber from the outside in, and you're paying $15 a bottle to do it. And the $143 billion tire industry, they are perfectly happy letting you. But there is a $1 solution that Japanese professional detailers have been quietly using for decades. A compound that keeps rubber jet black, supple, and protected against cracking for months at a time. It contains exactly zero petroleum. It feeds the rubber rather than suffocating it. I'm going to show you the exact 3-ingredient recipe you can mix in your driveway in a few minutes. But to understand why this $1 liquid is completely ignored by every major automotive magazine and dealership, you have to understand the chemical sabotage happening on your wheels right now. When you buy a commercial tire shine at the auto parts store, you are usually buying petroleum distillates or silicone-based dressings. They create a highly reflective film on the surface. It looks wet, it looks impressive, for about 48 hours. Then, it oxidizes. It dries unevenly. Worse, because petroleum distillates are chemically incompatible with the synthetic polymers used in modern tires, they actually degrade the UV protectants baked into the rubber. They strip the tire of its natural oils. That's why your tires turn a sickly gray and start developing microcracks a few weeks later. They are starving. If you appreciate saving money and protecting your vehicle from predatory industry standards, take a second to hit that subscribe button right now. We dive deep into the automotive secrets they don't want you to know. Now, let's step away from the modern dealership and look at history. Because the secret to indestructible rubber wasn't invented for cars at all. In 1779, a Swedish chemist named Carl Wilhelm Scheele isolated a clear, viscous liquid from heated olive oil. He called it the sweet principle of fats. Today, we call it glycerin. Scheele noticed something incredible. It was highly hygroscopic. It attracted and held onto water molecules, preventing organic materials from drying out. Fast forward to the 1860s. The Prussian military needed a way to keep rubber gaskets and artillery seals from cracking and failing in humid storage. Their solution? Glycerin. During World War II, the United States Army Ordnance Corps faced a massive logistical nightmare. Jeeps and artillery trucks sitting in the humid, high UV environments of the Pacific Theater were suffering from catastrophic tire rot. The rubber was literally crumbling before the vehicles even saw combat. Their field-tested solution? Diluted, pharmaceutical-grade glycerin. It didn't just coat the tires, it penetrated the outer polymer matrix, binding to water molecules and stopping the accelerated oxidation cold. It kept tires serviceable in conditions that would have otherwise destroyed them in weeks. So, how did this military secret end up on cars? Enter the Japanese migaki philosophy. Migaki means to polish or refine. Japanese detailers operating in Osaka and Nagoya in the 1970s built their reputation on precision and minimalism. They realized that applying a cheap, pharmaceutical-grade vegetable glycerin solution outperformed every expensive petroleum dressing on the market. It didn't sit on the surface to sling onto the paint. It soaked in. It acted as both a plasticizer and a humectant. It rebuilt the hydration state of the tire structurally. And the economics are staggering. A professional dealership tire dressing service can cost you, over the course of a year, upwards of $300. A set of new tires ruined prematurely by dry rot? Easily $800 to $1,200. Meanwhile, a 250 milliliter bottle of pharmaceutical-grade vegetable glycerin costs about $4 at your local pharmacy. Here's exactly how you replicate the Japanese master detailer method in your own driveway for less than $1 per application. First, get a clean 500 milliliter spray bottle. Pour in 100 milliliters of vegetable glycerin. Next, add 150 milliliters of distilled water. Do not use tap water. The minerals will interfere with the binding process and leave a white residue. Finally, add exactly 1 drop of plain dish soap, no heavy degreasers. This acts as a surfactant, helping the liquid stick to the rubber. Shake the bottle for 30 seconds until it turns slightly milky. Before you apply it, you must scrub your tires completely bare with a pH-neutral soap and a stiff brush. Strip away all that old, toxic petroleum dressing. Let the tire dry completely. Spray an even coat of your glycerin solution onto the sidewall. Don't wipe it yet. Walk away for 10 minutes. Let the compound penetrate the matrix of the rubber. After 10 minutes, spray one more light coat. Take a clean microfiber cloth and gently massage it into the surface using circular motions. Do not buff it completely dry. Just level it out and let it cure for 30 minutes before driving. The result is a deep, rich, satin black finish. It won't sling onto your paint. It won't attract excessive dust. And most importantly, it feeds the rubber from within, extending the life of your tires by years. The tire industry doesn't make its $143 billion by helping your tires last longer. They make it through replacement and degradation. This $1 solution breaks that cycle completely. Try this formula on your own car this weekend. Come back and let me know in the comments how your tires look compared to the expensive sprays.